Today I am making a video at the second story. So the story was a love story. So that is a emotional story. I am just want to make a video for efficiency in our English because I want to speak in fluently. So suppose in future we have to speak in English in front of many people, then what should I do? So that's why I'm making a video and I think this is the most important way where we learn and boost your efficiency in as soon as possible. So this is the study. Just I'm reading it so you can listen carefully. So he loved her from the very first day, and the way she smiled, the way she laughed at the smallest thing. They were best friends. He always wanted to tell her but never found the courage, so he wrote letters, one every week for 2 years. He kept them in a box, every feeling, every word sealed inside. He thought, one day when I am brave enough, I will give them all to her. But life had two other plans. She moved to another city, and before he could say goodbye, she was gone. Years passed. He became successful, but a part of him was always missing. One rainy evening, he found that old box, duty worn out, filled with unread love. He smiled sadly and whispered to himself, maybe she did not read my letters. Maybe she did not read my letters, but in every one of them I was with her. Sometimes love does not need to be written, it just needs to be felt and truly, deeply, silently. So just I want to ask questions of all of you. So let me know comment in the comment box. So please, have you ever loved someone without telling them? क्या आपने किसी से प्यार किया बिना उसे बताए? इस कहानी में एक लड़का किसी लड़की से प्यार करता है और वो उसे कह नहीं पाता था। जब से देखा तभी से प्यार करता है और उसके नाम से एक लेटर लिख के रखा करता था। वो कहने के लिए बहुत सोचा, लेकिन वो कभी हिम्मत जुटा नहीं पाया इस बात को कहने के लिए। तो सोचा कि जब मैं चालाक हो जाऊंगा तो ये सारे लेटर मैं उसे दिखाऊंगा, लेकिन किस्मत को कुछ और ही मंजूर था। जब तक वो हिम्मत जुटाए तब तक वो किसी और सिटी में किसी और जगह मूव हो गई, मतलब चली गई। और जब ये सक्सेसफुल हो गया तब उस एक दिन शाम को इसे यूएस लेटर को मिला बाहर पड़ा हुआ डस्टी में। देन ये सोचा कि कभी कभी प्यार ज़रूरी नहीं है कि प्यार करे तो रिटर्न में कुछ मिले। तो यही एक कहानी था प्यार पे। I hope कि you all understand about my story and you all think about my story कि why I should make a video. So the main purpose of efficiency in our English. So in the future we have to work on international level in IT sectors, because I am studying graduation in a stream computer science. So I am just working on coding, software development. So in case we have to work on the international, so we handle all the scenario in our organization. So that's why I want to improve my English, and this is the way where I think this is the most important way I can boost our efficiency. So thank you.